Let's make some hydrogen with the help of water and solar power. First, you fill a syringe with water. We hook this up to the electrolyzer, and the electrolyzer will split the water into oxygen and hydrogen. We fill up the electrolyzer with water, hook up a syringe on the other side, which will collect the hydrogen. To split the water, we need energy, and we use solar power to split the water. Now, the second syringe will fill with hydrogen. When the syringe is almost full, we disconnect the syringe from the electrolyzer and hook it up to a fuel cell. A fuel cell turns hydrogen back into water with the release of electricity.